Hello and welcome back to POSAdvisors tutorial series for EncorePOS. My name is Billy, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Restore Archived Item utility. You can use this to restore items that have been previously archived by EncorePOS to your item database. Starting from the EncorePOS login screen, log on to the EncorePOS dashboard. Click the Utilities tab, scroll over Inventory, and click on the Restore Archived Item utility. On this screen, you'll see a list of all items that have been archived from your EncorePOS database. You can choose to export this list by clicking on this button to copy it to your clipboard, here for an Excel file, here for a PDF, or here to send it directly to a printer. To restore an item, check the box in front of that item, confirm the restore, and the system will process the request. Repeat this process to restore further items. If you have a long list of items and need to find one in particular, you can use the search function here. You can change the sort of the table with these arrows, including sorting by when something was archived. Click All Done to return to the Utilities tab. That's it for this video today. Be sure to subscribe to keep up with the latest and greatest from POSAdvisors. We'll have our website link and our support number all in the description under this video, so don't hesitate to call us if you need us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.